Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are back with another reaction video, and this is Theory hospital scene.
Yes, so we got a lot of requests to give our reaction on Theory movie
Yes.
hospital scene. So we got a lot of requests on different scenes from Theory movie
Yes.
itself. So this time this is the hospital scene. So
Yeah.
we already have seen Theory movie, and this is a very super hit blockbuster scene. We all know the context of the movie, so it is easy for us also to know the context and to give our reaction on this particular video.
Yes.
So here it is for you guys. I really hope that you like today's content. If you like, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the notification bell. So chalo, let's get started. That was like
Too much
heavy,
unfortunate, yeah. And
very
it was
heavy topic, and it was very unfortunate.
Mm.
Every girl who go through this kind of situation, it is like matlab
Very
beyond
bad,
words.
beyond what you can.
We cannot
can't
explain. We cannot
the pain, the
think also the
feeling, yes.
pain which she is getting, which her family is getting. And
And
that is
every year this kind of lot of this kind of issues
Incidents
happens, but
happen.
still it didn't stop. Even in the
Yeah.
lockdown nowadays also we
Nowadays,
have
in
seen
lockdown
few of
also we have seen few cases.
cases. So I
So
don't
in
know
lockdown
who
also
will
people are dying,
make
but
them understand this
still,
kind of a guy.
yeah. So this is very unfortunate, and government should be very strict,
To
at
their
least
decision.
to their decision, and as soon as possible that rapists should get hanged
Yeah.
immediately. Okay, so after that only people will get afraid to do this kind
Yes.
of crime if the punishment will be immediate.
Right.
But unfortunately this is not happening still in India. Situation is very bad, and this kind of situation, a person, a girl, her family is going to bear, going to go
Yes.
through.
And
This is
also
very
while
very tough.
while the case runs during that time also the family has to suffer a lot.
A lot.
Of
Threatening calls
or
and
lot
all.
of things and they had to
They
go
put
through.
their
Yes.
houses on fire.
Yes.
Everything, every possible mean kind of thing this rapist and their family try to do with the victim
yeah.
and victim's family.
So I
But
think in
that should be abolished totally from our society, and that was mentioned so beautifully in
Yeah.
this film. Like the makeup was like terrific. The makeup, the dialogues delivery,
Dialogues
everything,
delivery and emotion expression
you will get
of each and every
goosebumps.
person.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
And
to be
that
very
will,
frank, this
that
is
will
the
very likely that it will touch everybody's heart.
everybody's heart.
Yeah.
Everybody will that I will get teary.
Yeah.
For sure, because this is the fifth time or sixth time I'm seeing this
We
scene.
have seen many times.
We have seen many times, but each and every time my heart,
we
my
feel
eyes
the same
will
kind of feelings
feel.
we have.
Yes, like I cannot control my tear today. Somehow I controlled, but it was there. My eyes were teary. Definitely, because
Definitely.
it was executed so real
So
way.
real. Thanks
And
to
Vijay
the
sir's acting was like
everybody.
incredible. The doctor's acting, the girl's father
Right.
acting,
Everybody
was
incredible there.
incredibly done. The
Their
scene.
expression and the way they have delivered everything, it was super and
Love, seriously,
marvelous.
hats off. This movie is an iconic movie.
Iconic
This movie
movie,
is
yeah.
a super hit blockbuster movie, and we are very happy and very grateful to Vijay sir and the to entire team to
Yes.
give this kind of movie to the audience, to the janta. This scene is
Yes.
like has its own
Own
level.
different
So
kind of level. I touch the level of each
Yeah.
whatever the emotion scenes or we have right now. It touched every
it is
level.
so real, so
Yes.
real actually. So this is what our reaction is for today's content. So soon we'll be coming with more theory movie reactions, because you guys have requested so many times. I think
Yes.
in each and every videos we got this request to do
Yes,
the theory
right.
movie reactions. So we have decided to give our reactions on
yes.
multiple scenes from the same movie, because this is an iconic
Iconic
movie,
movie.
and we have already seen this movie. So we have a plan to give our complete review also
Yes.
on the total movie. So soon we'll be doing that and share with you guys. So now this is the time to read the comments for today.
Yes. So the first comment for today is from AB Cut Studio. He is saying that Mammootty and Mohanlal are the big stars in Mollywood,
Yeah.
and Mammootty now turns to 69. Mohanlal now turns to 60. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Still, Mammootty sir looks much younger than
Much
Mohanlal
younger
sir.
than Mohanlal sir.
Yes.
But both of them are gems.
Yes.
Both of
Right.
them are, outstanding actors in their prospective fields, and we are very proud of them. Okay, we have already seen Mohanlal sir's video.
Yes.
In scenes reaction we have already done, but we have a plan to give our reaction on Mammootty sir's video because
Right.
that was only the mashup. Okay, so we want to know
Yes.
more
Yes.
about
Right.
him.
So going forward,
Right, going
we will
forward
give
we will
more
do.
reaction on
Haan.
Mammootty sir.
And you are definitely right. They two are the gems of Indian cinema.
Yes.
We are very proud of them. Thank you so much, Abika Studio, for watching and for commenting on our videos. Okay, the second comment is from Sa Creations, and he's telling the best reaction, guys. He's talking about megastar Mammootty birthday special mashup.
Yes.
You are not only spending time on reaction but also studied a lot about the star and giving a brief explanation. Hats off to you, Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
Yes.
Thank you so
Thank you
much,
so much.
Sa Creations, for liking our content.
Yes.
Yes, that is true that we spend a little time, to know
the people whom we are giving our reaction.
and if we don't get sufficient information, then we ask on the platform only that
Yes.
we couldn't get that information. Can you guys let us know?
Yes, so-
Because sometimes that happens
Right.
that in Google also we couldn't get that much information, but you guys have helped us to
Yes.
know more about the person and all.
Right.
So yes, Mammootty sir is a genius actor, and we are feeling very glad that we have researched on him, and we got to know a lot of things about
Yes.
him, right? So thank you so much for commenting and for watching our videos. So the third comment for today's video is from Vimal Kumar, and he is telling, ma'am, please do the react for Vijay Anna getting Behind Wood Awards gold medal stage speech. Please, I'm asking many times. This is an social message to us in current situation.
Okay.
Okay, definitely we will be doing that, Vimal Kumar. Vijay sir getting Behind Wood Awards, right?
Okay.
So do you have any link of that? If you have, you can please share with us so that we can give a reaction straight
And
away to
also
the
we'll
link,
try to
or we
find
will
it out.
try to find it out. We
Yes.
have to search and we have to get that link,
Right.
specific link, so that we can give a reaction on
Yes.
a precise way. So thank you so much, Vimal Kumar, for watching and for commenting on our video. So these all are the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone who have commented, who are our subscribers who watch our videos on a regular basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos. Stay home, stay safe, enjoy our videos.
Yes.
Okay, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.
Bye.